Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to the Southern snack in this video. Dairy Queen, Reese's, Caramel, Craze, Blizzard review. This is one of the new ones that he uploaded yesterday, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize. I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Yeah! Welcome back to the Southern Snack. Life is too short to be serious. Okay, August has a new blizzard for the blizzard of the month.
Oh my. Wow.
It is Reese's Caramel Craze, and it is just hot outside. I have no AC, so this thing is becoming a mess.
Oh my!
As we speak, I'm not getting the lighting here. Why it's working the way it is? There's no sunlight on me. I'm in the shade. Yeah, the blue tint is coming down when I try and show this off, and it irritates me. I don't want my thing to be blue tinted. So this has Reese's cups.
Understandable.
It has chocolate flakes, and it has caramel truffles. So
wow.
Easy as that. Let's try it.
Okay. Sounds delicious, and wow.
Sorry, caramel truffles, no less.
Okay, oh my. Wow.
Puts a good emphasis on sweet and salty.
I bet. Wow.
A lot of salty.
I bet.
To me, I don't think it really needs salted caramel.
Oh my.
Certainly, but salted caramel, when Reese's already has like a salty profile to it,
yeah,
it just raises that level of salt.
I bet. Oh my, wow.
It's very chunky.
I bet.
And I was thinking there'd be more Reese's to it.
Oh my.
A lot of truffles.
I bet.
I give it 8.5. It's really
wow.
good. And again, if you love chocolate and you love salty profiles, you'll enjoy this. But I definitely wish a little bit more Reese's to it, and just how salty it can get though with the salted caramel can be a little bit of a roadblock. So anyways, that's my review. I'm sticking to it, and I'll see y'all around.
That was an awesome video. I give it a thumbs up, and I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my channel or to the Southern Snacks channel, make sure you guys subscribe, give both our videos a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post, and share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please everybody. And on my channel, we are on the road to 11,000 subscribers. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the 4 playlists that are on my channel, and give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my channel as well also, please everybody. I would really definitely appreciate that too. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 11,000 subscribers or more on my channel as well also, please everybody. I would really appreciate it. And the link to the Southern Snacks original video will be down in the description down below. I just thought I'd let everybody know about that. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.